The first method is to restart PC or Steam. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam, then click on exit. After this, click on start option over here, then click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After restarting, now try to launch the game and see if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, you have to go to device manager first to search for the device manager. Now go below expand human interface devices. After this, select it and then right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers, and after updating it, now restart your PC once and then check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So if your game is on Steam, then go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and then here you need to select enable Steam input. So after enabling this, launch the game and see if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then come back again and select disable Steam input. So after this, again launch the game and check if this resolves the issue or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issues. So you should also go through it, and if it works then fine, otherwise move to the next solution. The next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next solution is to check for game updates. So make sure your game is updated to the latest version and not running on outdated. So after the game is updated, try to launch the game and check if it's working, because developers often releases the updates on the game so that you can easily play without any performance issue. So if there is no update, then go for update windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates, and here you should check if there is any update available. Click on check for updates option, and after that try to launch the game and check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Apart from this, you can also go for other troubleshooting tips as well. First, you need to click clear cache on Steam. So make sure you clear the cache on Steam. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then go to settings, then go below, and here you need to click on clear download cache. So this will clear the cache of Steam, and after that check if it works. Second is to, if using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it once. So this is also an important step to fix the issue you are coming across. Apart from this, you can use big picture mode for the game. So simply you have to go to the Steam, and over here you can see big picture mode. Simply if you can play the game, simply quit from the big picture mode, and after that check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. So these are few solutions that will help to fix the gamepad or controller not working on Gear of War Reloaded game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.